Hi everyone, good evening. We'll discuss now how to use PubMed in evidence-based medicine. The clinical scenario: would vaccinating the children with MMR cause autism? So we'll go directly to website of American University of Beirut. We're going A to Z list P. We're going down and we'll open PubMed. So down clinical queries, search this MMR vaccine and autism. So clinical studies, therapy, protoscope, search. We can find 456 research result in PubMed. So to be confirmed, going to advanced to can check the mesh. We can see here it is named measles, mumps, rubella vaccine. It is a mesh there. Autistic disorder. Autistic disorder is a mesh term as well. So we can take measles, mumps, rubella vaccine as a mesh term and we'll put here in query box down again and we'll take autistic disorder mesh term as well. We'll put in query box and then search. This result became down to 398. So to be sure it is regarding advanced, we can see here it is just mesh term. We'll go back. Want to do the limitation in children, so additional filter age and we can mark on child 6 to 12 years and preschool 2 to 5 years. Show and we can mark here and as well here. So we can find now 231 result only. For example, it is measles, mumps, rubella vaccination and autism. Vaccines for measles, mumps, rubella in children, MMR vaccination and autism. Thank you very much.